Hello traders out there in Traderland. It's Valentine's Day here in the US and maybe abroad. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's February 14th, 2013. Markets in mix. Yet again, a lot of choppiness here. We have the S&P up a little bit, Dow down a little bit, NASDAQ up a little bit, but the Russells, small caps, doing the best, up 0.35%. Banks down, though, 0.11%. But the volatility index drops by 2.5%, now down at 12.66. And you'll see that gold's off. I told you gold was in trouble, and it continues the dive. Gold off by 0.44%, silver off by a full percent. And you have crude oil up 0.23%, US dollar up 0.27%. I'm so surprised to see the market still in bullish territory with the dollar rising. And anyway, we have transportation doing fairly well. And big drop here in the defensive sector, utilities sector here, down almost a full percent. Anyway, what we have here on the S&P daily is this continual rise. Now, one thing I'm going to share with you, I'm going to go a little micro. Follow me here. We have a lower high and a lower low. Now, I've been telling you we're really paying a lot of attention here to this up channel. Now, since this up channel, we've had roughly 26 trading sessions. Now, get this. Now, listen to what I'm saying. Only 3 of these sessions, only 3 of them, give us a lower high and a lower low. There's one here, and there's one here, this red one, lower high, lower low. Now, this one's not. It's a higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then the rest of them, until we get back here to this guy, actually I would say there's 4 and 5, 5 going back about 35 days is what I'm looking at here. So going back about 35 days, you got 5 lower highs and lower lows. Or if you go back 26 days, you only have 3 lower highs and lower lows. So now, why is that important? Because it just shows how much of a huge run we've been on. This is an extraordinary run that we've been on here in the markets. And to say that that's going to continue to last forever would not be correct. So if a rubber band stretches for so far, it's going to want to snap back. You can see the moving averages here, how they're flaring apart, and we still remain above all the EMAs. These are the exponential moving averages that are much quicker. Now, you first have to have a pivot, meaning you first have to have a candlestick that gives you a lower high and a lower low to start a down leg. All I'm saying here now is we have a crack in the ice. After something so extended here, there is a chance of a drop taking place. We're having a hard time getting to resistance again. Now look at the trajectory that we're on. If I were to draw a line here, we would just, actually if I draw a line here, look at this. It's going on this trajectory. What are the chances of this leg getting to this resistance point? I don't see that happening. So in essence, we almost have a rising wedge starting to be created here. If you look at a weekly chart, you'll see resistance, resistance, and we're playing with this resistance, but we're on the bullish side of it, so we've busted past it, showing a lot of strength here. So anyways, take a look here at gold. This is the weekly chart on gold. Big drop below all major moving averages. So you look here at the daily chart, man, this dude continues just to drop on increasing volume. Look at Google had a great day today. Just a pop and closed above a major trend line, getting big move on Google. Apple, I'm still hanging out. I think that Apple's going to have a big run here if the markets do go bullish, but I am not convinced that the market's going to stay bullish. Facebook had a nice one. Falling wedge breakout taking place, but it didn't happen on very good volume. Really low, if you ask me. So again, we have about 15% of you who are females, and 85% of those are males that will come and watch our videos on a regular basis. So happy Valentines to each and every one of you. Hope this evening and the rest of the night are great for you. Take care and very safe and profitable trading.